Welcome to Incomplete Intelligence, where we explore ideas shaping the future of AI. I'm your host, Min, an AI leader with over 15 years of experience working across healthcare and high-stakes AI systems. In this episode, we're asking, does AGI really matter? AGI, or Artificial General Intelligence, is the idea of a machine that can do any intellectual task a human can. You hear it everywhere: OpenAI, DeepMind, Anthropic, all working toward it. But here's the twist: no one actually agrees on what AGI is. Let's go back to the beginning. In 1950, Alan Turing asked, "Can machines think?" His idea wasn't about consciousness, he just wanted to know, can a machine imitate a human in conversation? Later, AI pioneer John McCarthy said, AI is about machines doing things that require intelligence when done by humans, but he didn't define what that intelligence was either. In the 2000s, researchers like Shane Legg and Ben Goertzel coined AGI to mean something broader. Legg and Marcus Hutter proposed a definition. Intelligence is the ability to achieve goals in many different situations. Nice idea, but hard to measure. Today, Google says AGI is a machine that can understand or learn any intellectual task a human can. It should have general skills and common sense. But what counts as an intellectual task? Understanding what exactly? And what does common sense even mean? Humans aren't all the same. Some people are good at math, others are great at reading people's emotions. Howard Gardner's theory of multiple intelligences shows that intelligence comes in many forms. So which kind of human should AGI match? There's no single test that says this is AGI. GPT-4 can write code, pass exams, summarize papers. Still, experts say it's not AGI. Why? Because it can't plan long-term, or because it still makes mistakes. AGI has become a moving target. That hasn't stopped big predictions. Sam Altman says AGI could come in 5 to 10 years. Elon Musk says 2026. Demis Hassabis says maybe 2030. These statements make headlines, but often with no clear definition. Why? Because calling your model AGI helps get attention. It attracts investment, creates buzz, and builds a company brand. It's not always a prediction. Sometimes it's just marketing. Maybe instead of chasing one big general intelligence, we'll end up with two kinds of AI. The first is worker AI. Smart tools built for specific jobs: law, science, writing, design. They're efficient, focused, and already here. The second is super AI. Systems that can create and manage worker AIs. Not just smart, but able to build new tools, delegate tasks, and connect different systems. Like an architect for other AIs. Think of worker AIs as apps. Super AI is the operating system. This layered design could be more useful than one all-powerful machine. But here's a challenge. Even today's AI models sometimes go wrong. They can be biased. They can be tricked. They sometimes make things up. If we can't fully control narrow AI today, how will we control a more powerful AGI tomorrow? Before we race to AGI, we need to solve alignment, making sure AI actually does what we want safely. And that brings us to the final point. Even if AGI happens, does that mean people become unnecessary? Not at all. Because there's more to value than raw intelligence. Humans choose the problems worth solving. We judge results. We bring meaning and context. In the future, asking the right question might matter more than answering it. AGI may shift our focus from competing with machines to working alongside them, helping guide, question, and interpret what AI produces. It could redefine the human role, not erase it. So, does AGI matter? Yes. But not because it's a fixed goal. It matters because it forces us to rethink what intelligence is, and what kind of future we want to build. Let's stop chasing one perfect mind, let's build many kinds of minds, designed to work together, human and machine, not in competition but in collaboration.